storm warning for snow, which is in effect from 11 a.m. Tuesday to 1 p.m. Wednesday. For the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, and Union. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Snow and sleet will begin late Tuesday morning and change to all snow by evening. The heaviest snow is expected during the late afternoon and evening. Total accumulation will be 6 to 8 inches. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibilities and snow accumulations. Remember, a winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The National Weather Service